Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear children. Today, our great nation, India, is celebrating its 72nd Republic Day. I wish all of you a happy and wonderful Republic Day. Really, we are blessed that we are born in a great nation, that is India. We love this nation more than anything else, and really we are happy to celebrate this great day. As we know, 71 years ago, in 1950, our nation India became republic. 1947 August 15, after a long struggles and sacrifices, we got freedom. And we started to prepare a constitution under the leadership of B.R. Ambedkar. And on this day, before 71 years, 1950, we submitted that constitution to our nation, and our nation started moving according to our constitution. So, this is a wonderful day, and we have to remember on this day our great freedom fighters and a lot of values that they have shown us. Really, we are blessed. It's not a simple word. Really, we are blessed. We are living in a nation which is known for many values. And this constitution, really we are proud, because this is one of the biggest written constitution in the world, and it is based on great values like secularism, federal system, and mutual respect. And well, scientifically this constitution is designed. So as the students of today and the citizens of tomorrow, it is our duty and responsibility to understand the values of this constitution and work hard for the protection of this constitution. So on this day we remember our great freedom fighters. On this day we remember our great fighters. They shed their blood, they sacrificed their life for the freedom of this nation. So we have to understand one thing. Our constitution, Indian constitution, is teaching us a lot of great values. Our system is a federal system. The power of this nation is divided among two governments, central governments and state governments. And we have a system called executive, judiciary and legislative assembly. So it is the responsibility and duty of the legislative assembly, parliament and legislative assembly to form the laws. And it is the duty of the executive, ministries, central ministry and state ministry, to execute the laws implemented by the legislative assembly and to move this nation according to the constitution of this nation. And it is the duty of the judiciary to solve the issues which are coming under this executive and legislative assembly. So this is a very scientific and very systematic system we have. And we are really proud that we have got such a wonderful system. And it is our duty to protect and preserve this constitution. You know, this constitution is based on a lot of great values. Our constitution is neither religious nor irreligious nor anti-religious. There is no discrimination among any religions. There is no discrimination among any states. There is no discrimination among any caste, creed or any kind of, there is no any kind of discrimination. So at any cost, as Indians, it is our duty and responsibility to protect the great values of this constitution. And we are just electing the governments to run this nation according to this constitution. So on this day we have to remember the great efforts taken by our freedom fighters, and as the citizens of today, it is our duty to struggle hard to protect the constitution of this nation. So dear children, we are students. We have to understand what is Republic Day. we have to understand what is our Indian Constitution. We have to understand which all things are included, how our country is moving ahead. All those things we have to understand. So on this day, we have to start thinking about this constitution. We have to start thinking about this nation, and this day should motivate us to learn more about the freedom struggles, to learn more about our constitution, to learn more about the 72 great years that we have passed. So on this day, on behalf of MET family, on behalf of teachers and management and entire family, I wish all of you happy and wonderful Republic Day, and I do expect that the coming Republic Days we will be able to celebrate in our campus with flag hosting, with sweet distribution, with a lot of patriotic song competitions, and the coming Republic Day will be very colorful and wonderful one. We do expect that. So we are waiting for you in our campus. As you know, our campus is becoming better and better, and we are doing a lot of wonderful things in our campus, and we do expect that next June 1st onwards we will be able to run the school, and we will be able to celebrate all the wonderful days in our campus with our physical presence. So once again, I wish all of you happy Republic Day and wish you all the best. Thank you.